Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I fix my hair from heat damage, color damage, all of that. We're gonna go through what I do and what I use to repair those broken bonds and get your hair feeling healthy, looking healthy, and just overall having great hair. This product can be used on any textured hair, straight, curly, you name it. What it's gonna correct is any damage. So if you have heat damage or color damage, those broken disulfide bonds, this product will rebuild those bonds. And I'm sure you guys heard of it, probably in your local salon, they probably offer you this treatment. It is Olaplex. So me being a salon professional, I do have my cosmetology license. I was able to buy Olaplex. So it's a very simple process. I definitely recommend it. If your stylist asked you if you want to add it on or as a treatment, definitely do it. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. So with the treatment, the number one, the solution, you're going to use 1/2 ounce, which is the full line up to here. I'm not going to do it. I have some already mixed. And then you're also going to sew 1/2 ounce of the number one and then 3 ounces of water in a non-spraying bottle. So something like this. It's very important non-spraying because I made the mistake of putting in a spraying bottle and I don't know what happened. Like I started coughing and choking, like it was bad. So get yourself a non-spraying bottle and then you're going to apply that all over your hair and leave that on for about 7 minutes. And just to show you guys like the condition of my hair, like I've stopped coloring it, but like you can see it's like dried, super broken, like it just looks horrible. The top looks good, but the bottom is horrible and I don't want to cut my hair. I just want to have it fixed. So we're going to fix that today. So I'm just going to part my hair kind of in the middle, tie that up. And then the bottom half of my hair, I'm just going to part that in 2 sections. I'm just going to do one section to show you guys and then I'll do the rest. So what you'll need is just a comb. I have my wet brush comb. I love that thing. It's super amazing. I'm going to use that to comb through all the solutions in my hair. So get yourself a Y2 comb. Works perfect. Any Y2 comb will work. I personally love the wet brush. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's get started. You don't need gloves for this. I mean, if you want to wear gloves, that's fine. You can also get a towel because this might drip everywhere. And so you're going to want to start. This mainly focuses on the broken. And just get that all fully saturated. Focus on the ends, mainly. Get that fully saturated, guys. I'm not too worried about the roots right now because I'm going to go back and do the roots after. So the bottom half is done. Do the top half, split in half again. Boom. I'm kind of starting to in the middle and working my way down to the ends. And then just combing that through, make sure it's all even, every part gets saturated. Mainly focusing on the ends, guys. That's my problem area. Okay, and last part. This typically can be an add-on in the salon for about $40, $50 as a standalone treatment. And then depending on your salon, you can add it on to the service that you're getting, like color or any treatment. It's amazing. Okay, now I'm just going to go back through my roots and make sure the roots get saturated because that'll then just drip down to the ends. I love my wet brush comb, especially for curly hair. I have curly hair. This, I can't even like explain to you. Like It goes through my hair with super ease. I love it so much. Okay, so everything's fully saturated. You don't have to put this in a shower cap. You can just let it sit in your hair for about 5 to 7 minutes, and just wait that time. I like to put it in a shower cap so that way the moisture is super locked into my hair. It doesn't dry out. So I have my shower cap here. I'm just gonna plop this on, wait for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll do the next step of the treatment. Okay guys, so it's been about 7 minutes, so time to take this off. And my hair is definitely still moisturized and wet with the solution number 1. Now we add the number 2. You're going to want to add a generous amount of the number 2. And this you can just add with your hands. Actually, this one's not even open yet, so let me open that one. Now what I'm going to do is just part my hair in 2 this time. It doesn't have to be even. And then just put a generous amount of this. Focus on the bottoms. You just want to get it on there. And then we'll go ahead and work it through with our comb. Okay. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Generous amount. The great thing about it is you can't over put this product or put too much of this product on your hair. Your hair's just going to soak up what it needs and rebuild those broken bonds. And it's going to do wonders for your hair. Okay. And then again, taking our comb, just work it through. That way it evenly coats your hair. Every part of it gets it. And then once that is done and everything is, oh, I broke my comb. Oh no, it didn't break. Did it break? No, it didn't break. I thought I broke it, guys. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I think it's okay. It's still together. Okay. Any excess, just wipe that back onto your hair. Get my baby hairs in the front. I like to just focus on the ends a little bit more. It's fully saturated, but I like to just put a little bit of drop, a little glob in the ends. Because my ends are the most damaging part. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to want to let this sit for 10 minutes or more. And I'm going to pop back on my shower cap and sit for about 15 minutes. It says 10 minutes or more. I like to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, just because my hair has a lot of damage, I feel. I don't recommend going under heat with this. Just take the time, just with the cap on, and sit for the 10 to 20 minutes, however long you feel is necessary. And then after that, just shampoo and conditioner like you normally do, and then air dry your hair or blow dry your hair, and style as usual. I am trying to stay away from a lot of heat. I feel like I'm an AA. I haven't picked up the straightener in about a month, and I've been letting my hair air dry once I put in my creams and curling solutions. So I'm really trying to stay away from heat and be good with my hair because I've done a lot of damage over the years. I haven't colored my hair in over a year, so staying away from like bleaching, and because if you guys would have seen me before, I had a different color in my hair every week basically, and it did a lot of damage. So I'm just trying to get back to the process of healthy hair, strong hair, a little to no heat as possible, and you know, just get my curls, bring them back to life, because I miss my curls. As much as I love having my hair straight, I do miss my curls, and I love my curls. So yeah, I've been doing these treatments, trying to revamp my hair. So 10 to 20 minutes, guys. Let that sit, let that process, let the healing begin to bringing back my curls. And then we'll rinse it out and I'll see what my hair looks like after. Okay guys, so it's been about 17 minutes, so I'm going to shampoo and rinse this out of my hair, and then I won't air dry it as soon as I'm done. I'm going to show you what my hair looks like. We'll see how the ends look, see if they're moisturized, see what happens, okay? Okay guys, so I just rinsed my hair. It's up in my towel. I haven't blown dry it, I haven't done anything. So now I'm just gonna comb through my hair. It feels a lot softer already, which is amazing. The next step is actually, you can purchase this product by itself, take home. It's the number 3 part of the Olaplex system. This, it says to apply a generous amount from root to end on towel dried hair, comb through once. For damaged hair, do it twice. So I'm going to just do it to my ends, not so much my roots. And it kind of looks like the number 2. So we're just going to apply it like the middle to ends is where I'm going to apply it. And focusing mainly on the ends. This is going to help sustain the Olaplex treatment. And just keep your hair nourished, and you know, keep what we rebuild with those broken bonds held together. And like I said, I'm just going to apply a little bit more directly to the ends, because that's where the damage is most for me. So once I have that fully in my hair, again, taking my brush, or my comb actually, it's a wet brush. Taking my brush and just combing through it, detangling my hair, and I'm actually not going to do anything else. I'm just going to let it air dry, no heat, trying to stay away from heat as much as I can. And that's it. So once it's dried, I'll get back on here and show you guys how my hair looks and how the ends look, especially because you saw it before. It was super dry, there was tons of split ends, it was just unhealthy, so it needed moisture. So once it's dried, guys, like I said, I'll jump back on here, show a video of how my hair looks. Hey guys, so I'm in my bathroom, my hair is pretty much air dried. Look at the ends. You can see that they look so much better, they feel so much better. Like, overall my hair looks really good. I'm loving the treatment. So yeah, definitely at your next visit to the salon, if they have Olaplex there, request the treatment, request they put it in with your service. It's awesome. I give it 2 thumbs up. Only 1 right now, but I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys.